Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Amazon Alexa app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. And just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on device settings here. So when you just click here on device settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on Alexa here on this phone. Just click on it. So then you come to this list here. Click here on color theme. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on dark here. So then automatically it's going to change with you to dark mode here on your Amazon Alexa app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.